morning, students. Today we will continue with the exercise 6.3 and question number 15, second part. In this question, find the equation of tangent line to the curve, that is y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, and which is perpendicular to the line, that is 5y minus 15x equal to 13. So in this question you have to find out the equation of tangent, and you know that for equation of tangent, first of all we have to find out the slope of tangent, that is dy upon dx. And they are saying this equation of tangent, which is a tangent line is perpendicular to this line. So it means first of all we have to find out the slope of this tangent and this line, and after that they are saying this tangent is perpendicular to this line. It means if a tangent to the curve which is perpendicular to the line, that is equal to perpendicular, then m1 m2 equal to minus 1. We have to find out the slope of this line and then slope of this. Then slope of two lines is equal to minus 1. m1 m2 equal to minus 1. So let us start the solution. If tangent to the curve, which is perpendicular to the line, that is 5y minus 15x equal to 13, then slope of two lines the product of slope of two lines is equal to minus 1. Then product of, so it will come, therefore it will come m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Slope of two lines is equal to minus 1. So first of all, given equation of curve is, that is equation is y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. So differentiate with respect to x, it will come dy upon dx is equal to 2x minus 2. This is the slope of this tangent. Now we will find out the slope of the line. Given equation of line, that is equal to 5y minus 15x equal to 30. Therefore we can write in this equation in the form of 5y is equal to mx plus c. So 5y is equal to 15x plus 30. So after that it will come 5y is equal to 15x plus 13. So we can write this y is equal to 15x upon 5 plus 13 upon 5. So it will come y is equal to 3x plus 13 upon y. So according to this, slope of this line is equal to slope of line, it will come, you know that y is equal to mx plus c. So slope will come here 3. Now here when the line tangent is perpendicular to the line, it means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Therefore m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So what is m1? First slope, that is 2x minus 2 into 3, slope of m2, that is 3 equal to minus 1. After that, from here we can find out the value of x here. So it will come 2x minus 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 3. After that 2x equal to, transfer this 2 here, minus 1 by 3. After this it will come, taking LCM, and it will come 5 by 3. So x will come 5 by 3 into this 2, so it will come 5 by 6. The value of x is coming here. The value of x is 5 by 6. Now if the value of x is 5 by 6, we can find out the value of y. X is x equal to 5 by 6. Now value of y, we will find out the value of y from equation 1. Equation 1 means that is given curve, that is given in the question. Equation is here. In question the value of y is x square minus 2x plus 7. So we will put here value of x. So y equal to 5 by 6 whole square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. So it will come y is equal to 25 by 36 minus 5 by 3 plus 7. By taking LCM, take LCM, it will come 36. So after this it will come 25 minus 60 plus 252. After this it will come y is equal to this minus 60 plus 277 upon 36. So value of y will come 217 upon 36. The value of x is 5 by 6 and the value of y is 217 upon 36. So this is the point. Now we have to find out the equation of tangent. We know equation of tangent. What is the equation of tangent? We know the formula, that is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. So what is y naught and x naught here? That is x naught is 5 by 6 and y naught is 217 upon 36. And what is m? M is the slope. And what is the slope here? That is minus 1 by 3. Now we will put here. Here we will put the value here. Now y minus y naught 217 upon 36. Now m here, x minus x naught. What is x naught here? 5 by 6. Now we will put the value of x here. M slope, value of slope. That is, what is slope here? The value of slope is minus 1 by 3. Y minus 217 upon 36. What is the value of m? That is minus 1 by 3. X minus 5 by 6. Now after that 36y minus 217 minus x, take here 36 minus x minus plus x by 3 and minus plus 5 upon 18 plus 5 upon 18. After that 36y minus 217 upon 36 is equal to, take LCM, so it will come minus 6x plus 5. After this it will come solve it. After this it will come, it will left 36y minus 217 upon 2. Cancel this. So it will come 2 here equal to minus 6x plus 5. Now 36y minus 217 multiply 2 here minus 6x plus 5. Then 36y minus 217 minus 12x plus 10. After that transfer this 12x here plus 36y and transfer this term 10 and plus 217. So it will come 12x plus 36y is equal to 227. After that we can write this 12x plus 36y minus 227 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of tangent. The required equation of tangent is 12x plus 36y minus 227 equal to 0. Now in question number 16, show that the tangent to the curve y is equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the point x equal to 2 and x minus 2 are parallel. It is given that equation of tangent to the curve is given here, and you have to show that the slope of tangent at point this at x equal to 2 and x minus 2 are parallel. Now let us prove it. What is given? Given equation of curve, given equation of curve, that is y is equal to 7x cube plus 11. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. It will come dy upon dx is equal to 7 as it is constant and derivative of x cube is 3x square, and you know that derivative of constant term is 0, so it will come 21x square. Now slope of tangent at point x node comma y node, that is dy upon dx at x node comma y node, means in this dy upon dx we have to find out the slope at point x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 and show that they are parallel. Now slope of tangent at point x equal to 2. So what will come here? That is dy upon dx at x equal to 2. It will come 21 into 2 square. That is equal to 21 into 4. That is equal to 84. After that slope of tangent at point x equal to minus 2, that will come dy upon dx 21 into, we will put here minus 2 whole square, that will come 84. It means the slope of tangent at point x equal to 2 and at x equal to minus 2 are parallel, because when we are putting here x equal to 2, the value is coming here to 84, and when we are putting x equal to minus 2, then again value is coming here 84. It means the slope of tangent at this point x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. So at the end you can write here, it is observed that when we are putting here x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2, then they are parallel. It means the tangents are parallel. Now we will solve the question number 17 after this question. Now students, in question number 17, Find the point on the curve y is equal to x cube at which the slope of tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. Means you have to find out the point on the curve, and the curve is given y is equal to x cube and slope of tangent is equal to the y coordinate. It means first of all we have to find out the slope of tangent, that is dy upon dx, and the value of dy upon dx we have to put the dy upon dx at equal to y, because they are saying that is equal to y coordinate of the point. Now let us start the solution. Given equation of curve that is equal to y is equal to x cube. Now differentiate with respect to x. It will come dy upon dx is equal to 3x square. As you know that x cube equal to differentiation is 3x square. After that they are saying that tangent is equal to the y coordinate. Means this dy upon dx equal to y. So what is the value of dy upon dx? 3x square. It means 3x square equal to y. Now let it equation 1. Given slope of tangent is equal to the y coordinate. It means therefore 3x square is equal to y coordinate according to question. Now 3x square, you know that what is the value of y here from equation 1? From equation 1 the value of y is x cube. Y is equal to x cube. So we can put here in the place of y x cube. So after that 3x square minus x cube equal to 0. Transfer this x cube in this LHS. After that taking x square common here. So it will left. What will left here? 3 minus x equal to 0. After taking common. So it means from this we can find out the value. Yes, it will come here. Yes, x is equal to 0 and x equal to 3. So what are the points here? The value of x is 0 and x equal to 3. When x is equal to 0, then value of y is, what is y? Y is equal to x cube. Then it will come, y will come 0 cube, that is 0. So one point is 0, 0. That is the point is 0, 0. Now second point, when x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, then what is value of y? Y is equal to 3 cube, because equation of curve is x cube, so it will come 27. So it means second point will come, second point is 3, 27. So therefore required points are 0, 0 and 3, 27. So this is the solution of question number 17. Now we move to the question number 18. Now in question number 18, for the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to power 5, find all the point at which the tangent passes through the origin. Means you have to find out the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. It means x and y both are 0, 0. X 0 and the value of y is also 0. So let us start the solution. The given equation of curve, the equation of curve is 4x cube minus 2x raised to power 5. That is y equal to this one. Now differentiate with respect to x. It will come dy upon dx equal to 12 x square minus 10 x raised to power 4. Dy upon dx equal to 12x square minus 10x raised to power 4 after differentiation. Now slope of tangent, this is slope of tangent dy upon dx. Slope of tangent at point x1 comma y1. A point is not given and we have to find out the point. Let the point is x1 comma y1. At the end we have to find out these points x1 comma y1. The value of x1 and y1 we have to find out. So it will come dy upon dx at point x1 comma y1. It will come 12x1 square minus 10x1 raised to power 4. This term. This is the value of d slope of tangent at point x1 and y1. Now we have to find out the equation of tangent. What is the equation of tangent? That is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1 because tangent passes through the origin. Now equation of tangent at point x1 comma y1, that is y minus y1 equal to, that is 12x1 square, slope is 10x1 raised to power 4 into x minus x1. After that we will write here because we will use this equation 4x cube minus 2x raised to power 5. Now after this equation passes through the origin. Now equation passes through origin. Therefore it means the value of x and y will be 0. So when we will put here 0, so it will come minus y1, 0 minus y1 equal to 12x1 square minus 10x1 raised to power 4 into 0 minus x1. Yes, after open the bracket and multiply with this minus x1, it will come minus y1 minus 12x1 cube minus plus 10x1 raised to power 5. In next step we can cancel this minus, so it will come y1 equal to 12x1 cube minus 10x1 raised to power 5. This is the value of y1. After that, given equation, what was the given equation at point x1 comma y1? What was the equation of curve? Given equation at point x1 y1, that will come y1 is equal to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 raised to power 5. This is the equation of curve. You can write here equation of curve at point x1 y1. Now let it equation 1 and it equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we can put this value y1 in the place of this. It will come 4x1 cube minus 2x1 raised to power 5 is equal to 12x1 cube minus 10x1 raised to power 5. And after that, solve this equation. It will come 12x1 cube, transfer this 4x1 cube in this side, then minus 4x1 cube minus 10x1 raised to power 5 as it is, transfer this 2x1 raised to power 5, so it will come plus. Now here, what will come here? 8x1 raised to power 3, and here minus 8x1 raised to power 5 equal to 0. After that, we can take common 8x1 cube common. What is left here? 1 minus x1 square equal to 0. What is coming here? After this, it will come 8x1 cube into 1 minus x1 square equal to 0. So it will come x1 equal to 0 and second point x1 square equal to 1. So it means x1 equal to plus minus 1. Now here the value of x1 is 0, 1, minus 1. When x1 is 0, then what is y1? We will put the value here y1. The equation of y1 was 4x1 cube minus 2x1 raised to power 5. Now we will find out the value of y1 here. So y1 will come 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. So it means this point will come 0, 0. This is the first point. Now second point, this is when x1 equal to 0. Now when x1 equal to 1, then what is y1? 4 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 raised to power 5. So it will come 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So second point is here 1, 2. When x is equal to minus 1, then what is the value of y? Then value of y1 will come 4 into minus 1 raised to power 3 minus 2 into minus 1 raised to power 5. So it will come, when x equal to 1, y1 is coming here. After putting the value here, 4 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 cube, that is 2. Second point is 1, 2. And third point, when x equal to minus 1, and the value of y1 is here 4 into minus 1 raised to power 3 and minus 2 raised to power minus 1 raised to power minus 2 into minus 1 raised to power 5. So that will come minus 2. So it means 3 points are coming here, that is 0, 0, 1, 2 and minus 1, minus 2. So this was the solution of question number 18. Now thank you students.